Hello everyone, welcome to the English Fire channel. In this video, which is the first video of my channel, I want to talk about how you can learn English through my YouTube channel, whether it's English or any other language. There are 3 key points that will help you learn English effortlessly. If I know, then stay with me until the end of the video. I want to remind you again that these tips are for learning all languages, not just English. 1. Immerse yourself in English. This means you need to bring English into your daily life. If you want to watch a movie or animation, watch it in English with subtitles in your native language and repeat the sentences to yourself. If you want to listen to music, listen to it in English. If you want to listen to podcasts, listen to the English. If you want to read in English. If you want to write in English in your journey or daily to-do list. Anyways, whatever you want to do it in English. And thinking how to eliminate your default language, native language. When you encounter a new word, don't immediately think about its translation in your native language. Instead, see the usage in its sentences. This way you can understand the meaning and context of that word. But the question is, what if we don't understand? Can we then translate it into our own language? The answer is 3. Use a notebook. Some words you see maybe you don't remember. You can write those words in a notebook. Write their definition and give at least one example sentence for them to see their usage in a sentence. Or you can create flashcards for yourself. Another thing you can do is comment on the words you don't know so I can explain and give examples. So comment on that words now and subscribe to the channel so I can post the next video for you. And if you like these tips, like so others can see. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.